In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion's new calendar. Whether you're organizing personal tasks or managing a project, mastering this feature can drastically streamline your schedule. Let's dive right in and explore how to get the most out of Notion's calendar. First things first, you'll want to open Notion and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials so that you can access all your existing pages and features. Once logged in, head to your workspace. If you haven't used Notion before, this is the area where you can find all your notes, databases, and projects. It's laid out in a straightforward manner, making it easy to navigate. Now, let's move on to creating a new page. Locate the New Page option, typically found on the sidebar. Click on it to start a fresh page. This new page will become the dedicated space for your calendar, allowing for a clean and organized setup right from the start. Once your new page is ready, it's time to select the calendar feature. Simply choose Calendar from the template options. Here's a tip. Be sure to open it as a full page. This view maximizes your space and provides the best visual overview of your schedule, ensuring nothing gets missed. With your calendar now in place, give it a distinctive name. Naming your calendar is more than just a formality. It helps keep everything organized, especially if you're juggling multiple schedules. Choose something intuitive that immediately conveys its purpose, such as work schedule or family planner. Next, let's add some events or tasks. To do this, select a date on the calendar and click on New. This is where the power of Notion truly shines. By clicking on a date, you can easily create detailed entries for tasks, meetings, or personal reminders, whatever fits your needs. After creating an event, you'll want to fill in its properties. Notion lets you add various details to each entry, such as the date, time, priority, and any relevant notes. Detailing your entries ensures you capture all critical information, making it far easier to track and manage as life gets busy. To tailor the calendar further, delve into customizing your calendar properties. Notion gives you the flexibility to adapt properties to match your unique requirements. You can add tags, adjust time zones, and set reminders. This customization ensures the calendar reflects your exact workflow. Finally, bring some color into your organization with color conditioning. This feature allows you to color code entries, providing immediate visual cues at a glance. Use different colors for categories like work, personal, and leisure activities to enhance clarity and focus on what truly matters. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you transform Notion's calendar into a valuable productivity tool. With its customizable features, staying on top of your schedule has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy planning as you make the most out of Notion's new calendar.